Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Opening the Box. Today we are going to be opening this box. So this is not sponsored, DJI Mavic Mini, and let's open it. Okay, so we open it like this, and let's see. Wrong side. Okay, are you ready? Here it is. What? So small. This is the Mavic Mini. For comparison, here's an iPhone 7 Plus. It's smaller than it. It's smaller, but it's a little bit fat. But as you can see, it's smaller. So here you go. Size comparison. So let's put that aside. And this is it. So let's see other things inside the box. We have the controller. So the controller, as you can see, quick instruction. Yeah, just the controller. And then small box. I think the charger is gonna be here. So here's the charger. Yep, charger. And then we have some screwdrivers, extra propellers, wings, something like that. So charger this, and then I don't want to open it. There's screws in it, so I don't want to lose them, as you can see. So I'm not gonna open it, and I think this is the, one second. So see, yep, I knew it. This is for the controller. I guess you screw it like this, and then you can do it. And then the second one. And in here, move all of this aside. So, oh my god, a screwdriver for the screws over here. As you can see, small screwdriver right there. And then we have, oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's even cooler. What? They have these under. Look, there's one here, and then you put it just like that, one here. So there's like extra, so one here and then under. So you can see right there. That's cool. I don't want to lose them. So right here, and then we'll get, and then inside, I think this is the cable for your phone. And so from the controller, you plug it in somewhere in the controller here, and then it goes here to your phone's charger, and from there you can see what what's in the camera. So yeah, and you can control it from the phone too. So let's see, iPhone here for Samsung, and for Blackberry or something, I don't know, something like that. Is that it? Yep. So for this is what you get, and a small, oh, not a small, and instructions, I guess. So how that works, yeah, instructions, and a book full of instructions. Right. So let's fly it.